Thank you, Leighton, and good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to Branksome Hall's installation ceremony. This is always such a special moment for our student leaders and their families. Installation is a long-held and beloved Branksome Hall tradition where we come together to recognize, encourage, and celebrate leadership. At this year's installation, you are all participating in an occasion unique in our history. As I am sure you can appreciate, we had to reimagine this cherished tradition while navigating it in a virtual space. Though we are not all together in person, I wish to share some thoughts on installation and what it signifies. For nearly a century, installation at Branksome Hall has been a celebration of student leadership and community. In fact, this tradition of recognizing student leadership goes all the way back to 1928. I find this truly remarkable, and I am so proud that we are all part of an institution that has recognized women's leadership as foundational to its mission, vision, and values. I would like to say a few words about values. I like to think of them as the bricks and mortar that build the foundation of Branksome Hall. We stand on these values, and we grow taller, stronger as our values become the lived experience of every student and community member. Today is an example of all four of our school values, beginning with sense of community. We are all gathered here together to share in the celebration and recognition of school leaders. We also see the Branksome value of creativity in action as we adopt innovative technology to bring installation to our community. During today's program, you will hear stories of how Branksome Hall students and alumni are making a difference. This is another important Branksome Hall value. And finally, inclusiveness, which is where I will pause and share with you the meaning as defined by Branksome of this value. I quote, "As an inclusive community, our worldview respects the fundamental dignity of each person. We create an inspiring, dynamic, and caring environment where we champion diversity in its broadest sense." This value is one where we have been challenged recently, hearing stories of the lived experiences of our students and alum when they did not feel included, nor that their unique perspectives were being honored. Today is an opportunity to step into this value as we more deeply understand the lived experience of members of our community and how we can ensure that inclusiveness is truly the bricks and mortar, that it is foundational to Branksome Hall. While our keynote speaker is usually one person, this year, for the first time, we will instead share a conversation with three special guest speakers. Dr. Mira Gambir, our head of research and DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion, will moderate. Now for some introductions. C.K. Perks Hoffler, 80, is the past installation speaker and Branksome Hall's first Black head prefect. She is the CEO of the C.K. Hoffler firm, the trailblazing Atlanta-based law firm. She has represented and is also counsel to civil rights icon, Reverend Jesse Jackson. Tori Williams, class of 17, has served as president of the Black Students Network at McGill University, where she is majoring in economics. During her free time, she volunteers for the Black Opportunity Fund. While at Branksome, Tori was the student government prefect and led the first ever teacher lip sync. Maria Miruri is a grade 11 student. She is the founding member of the Diversity Council at Branksome and is our Diversity Council Student Life Representative, the first student to hold this role at Branksome. I invite you now to join me in warmly welcoming Dr. Gambier and these remarkable leaders.